Like I say, I'm Bill Shire.
I'm Bobby Tucker.
If y'all think that was exciting, just sit back and relax and wait to see what's coming up next. That's again. And it's early, there's plenty of light, but we'll find out directly. We can wait on another one. Y'all sit back and relax. All right. Well, like we say, we heard that thing fall, and we hadn't found but just what a couple of things, a little bit of blood. Oh, he found it. I can't wait to see what this thing looks like. Oh yeah.
It went straight down between his shoulders.
All right.
Straight down between.
Man.
Look at that. Whoa, man! Look, he still got velvet on.
I'll be daggone.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That counts 7. 11 points.
Well, all right. Man, that's a grown one.
That is.
Congratulations to Bob.
Thank you, Billy.
Good shot. We was worried that he was trying to smell us.
Oh yeah.
I mean, he was sniffing.
I wanted him to turn. He was fixing to run. He was sitting there doing that, and I drew when he went to turn sideways. Then he facing it, but his rack just kept getting in the way. And I was gonna wait for him to turn. I'd been holding it for a minute. I know, and I was about to die. And I said, well, I'm gonna have to let off. And then he just kind of turned, dropped his head a little bit. I said, well, there's a good clean shot. And I shot.
And then we almost got another shot. That other deer come up.
Come in behind us, smelt us. The wind was swirling all over the place.
I hope.
Hopefully we'll see you this afternoon.
Yep. Them deer have been around us for 35 or 40 minutes.
Spooky. They come smell where we walked in and didn't get spooked.
Yeah, walked out and smelled the bottom of the tree.
That was cool.
We'll be back. Good job. What you gonna do? Serious? Wait. Yeah.
Ain't going far.
What a shot. I think it's more, man. We hear some more back over there. We'll be back in a minute. Guess what? They back. Which one you gonna shoot for? You gonna shoot the mama or what? This ought to be nice. Look at him. Yeah, that's the mama right there. might not go far.
You ready?
Yeah. Who gonna bring home the bacon? We'll be back in a minute to find out. We got something else coming. Oh, there it is, honey. There's some more. Y'all hear that?
I didn't bring enough arrows.
They coming to get us. Oh, here they come. Oh, that's
Man,
I don't know.
let's wait and shoot the biggest one.
Wait, see what's behind them.
Come on.
Yeah, shoot the red one. Wait, to turn sideways. That first one. Yeah, the second one. Oh. Which one? The second one. I mean, which one? Left. Okay, I got him. Yeah. I got him. Go ahead. We know who's gonna bring on the bacon tonight. Yeah. Oh, here they come. They're coming back. Hey, Bob.
Ran out of bullets.
I don't see but one bullet left. And this is only the second day we've been hunting. Guess what? They got us swamp arrows again. We had one of our best stands. It's a big old black one, two black ones.
Nice jerk.
It is low. He's used to shooting them hogs. Deer pressure got him.
I was twisted around. That should have.
Of course, y'all saw the shot.
Air went in that far.
Of course, y'all saw the shot. That
That
in the shoulder.
crack, that scared me. I don't know.
There's a squirrel in front of you or something.
Right through the shoulder.
Old buck.
Oh, boy. Look at the knots on that. That's weird. That's a what? That'll make a pretty fork. Come over and look.
Hey, you can make a slingshot out of that.
That's crazy, isn't it? He's old deer.
Well, how does it feel to shoot something that ain't short and fat?
I know. After 7 hogs, that was fun.
Congratulations.
That was a 28-yard shot.
Somewhere from the mountains down to the sea, under the tall pines and the old oak tree, Bill and Bobby all out at daylight, hunting and fishing is what they like. This time of morning, before the sun's too high, the hunting is good and the fishing is right. You can hear turkey gobble, that gold buck running through the bushes. There's a big old buck, and down by the marshland you might see a duck. And out on the river, the fish are gonna bite. Carolina, 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 man, ain't this the life? Mamas and daddies, take your daughters and sons, show them the outdoors for everyone. Try your best to teach them, never take too much. That way for the rest of us, there'll always be enough. They can hear turkey gobble, jackal and duck running through the bushes. There's a big old buck, and down by the marshland you might see a duck. And out on the river, the fish are gonna bite. Carolina, 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 man, ain't this the life? You can hear the turkey gobble up, running through the bushes. There's a big old buck, and down by the marshland you might see a duck. And out on the river, the fish are gonna bite. Carolina, Carolina,